I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian, here on Wednesday afternoon, September 10th. A large sunspot region on the sun, officially known as AR 2158, produced a solar flare on Tuesday. It was a long-duration solar flare, and that solar flare did indeed produce a coronal mass ejection that appears to be headed towards the Earth's upper atmosphere. It looks like it will arrive early on the 12th. That's early Friday morning. So it could cause some auroras across the northern tier of the country late tomorrow night into the early morning hours on Friday. We have some cool footage of the solar flare and the coronal mass ejection from the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, the SOHO. And we'll take a look at a forecast model from NOAA that shows the glancing blow to the Earth's upper atmosphere by early on September 12th. Well, here's that sunspot region. Notice it is in line with the Earth right now, pretty much in the line of fire. Any kind of an explosion that occurs here indeed can have a direct impact on the Earth's upper atmosphere, and a solar flare did occur right from this sunspot region, AR 2158, on Tuesday, ejecting some mass towards the Earth, and it looks like, according to NOAA forecast models, that'll reach the Earth's upper atmosphere by the early morning hours on the 12th. Well, here we have a loop of the actual explosion on the sun yesterday, right here, as seen by the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, the SOHO, from NASA. And indeed, it occurred yesterday on the 9th of September, right here, ejecting a lot of plasma, etc., towards the Earth. And it will make at least a glancing blow to the Earth's upper atmosphere early morning hours on the 12th, so late tomorrow night into the early morning hours on Friday. There certainly can be some auroras across much of the northern latitudes, including the northern U.S. In fact, let's take a look now at a forecast model that NOAA has for such ejections. Well, let's take a look at this forecast model from NOAA that predicts solar wind movement. Let's orient ourselves. Right here is the sun. These two dots here represent the stereo A and B spacecraft on the other side of the sun. This is the Earth right here, this green little dot right here. And here we go. This is actual prediction of where this coronal mass ejection will head over the next day or two. Again, it originated on the 9th of September, which was yesterday. And we'll see again, we'll go through this in slow motion right here, exactly where that solar wind will penetrate in terms of this forecast model. Right here, the initial ejection. And notice the most severe part of this goes well away from the Earth, but indeed a glancing blow reaches the Earth's upper atmosphere, the magnetic field, early on the morning of the 12th. So there can be some aurora, certainly across the northern U.S., later tomorrow night, Thursday night, into the early morning hours on Friday. Now, that's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.